Hi, my name is Jason from Automation Made Simple. In this video series, we're going to be looking at Zapier Helper tools. So these are tools that Zapier provide to use within your automations, and you can do things such as formatting dates, adding, subtracting dates, calculations, formatting text, this kind of thing. So knowing how these automations work, how these Zapier Helper tools work, will help you advance your automations. So stay tuned and look out for other videos in this series. Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at the Zapier Helper, the number formatter, and specifically the Spreadsheet-Style Formatter. So these are formulas that you'll use in your spreadsheets, Google Sheets or Excel, and we can also use them in Zapier. So we're going to look at an example of how we might use that and why we might use that. So if we head over to our setup here, we have a spreadsheet and we have products with the product name, the cost, the ID, and the product type. So anything above £99 is going to be a premium product, anything below is going to be a standard product. And we need to evaluate that when we're getting the information. So when something's entered into the sheet, we need to know whether it's standard or premium. And that way we could then do other things. So we could use Zapier Path to split off and do different things depending on the product. So let's have a look at how we determine whether or not it's a standard or premium product. Okay, so we're in Zapier and we just have our trigger is just going to be when a new spreadsheet row enters the spreadsheet that we've just looked at, so the products table. And if we test, let's just grab the field now. So if we just grab a record from there, so we have the record that we're looking at, that we're using as an example, is this record here, so row 2, and it's £12. So this we want to come in as a standard product. So what we're going to do is use the numbers formatter by Zapier. So let me just delete this and show you how we get here. So again, we're just going to use the formatters down here. And because we're working with numbers, we're going to choose numbers. And then we have quite a few different options here. We just continue. So a few transformers. So we can format currency, numbers, format phones, math operations. So if you just need to add, subtract, divide or something like that, then you can just use the math operator and choose 2 fields. We're going to use the spreadsheet style formula because we want to determine if it's above or below £99. So what we need to do is we need to have an if statement. So we're just going to have if, and then we're going to have an open bracket here, and we're going to take this price. So if this price is greater than 99, then we want to say, so we're just going to put in quotes here. So yeah, if it's greater than 99, it wants to be premium. And if not, so we just have to say if not, so anything else is going as standard. Okay, we just need to close this here. So we're just basically saying if it's above £99, then premium, if not standard. Okay, so if we just continue here, okay, so we have the standard output now. So that's what we're looking for. So what we can do now is we can update our spreadsheet. So again, we're just going to add another step in here, Google Sheets. And we want to update a row. So the spreadsheet, we're looking at the same spreadsheet. And we're looking at the worksheet, which is products. And the row we want to update, again, we don't know this. So we're going to tell it to get it from step 1. So have a look at step 1 and see what the row was. And then what we want to update is the product type. And we're going to get that from this value here from the output we just created. So if we continue now and we just test, we should see the standard come into here. So this is updated as a standard product. And just to check it, if we go back to here and we choose another record to test with, so let's go for this one here. This is £100. So if we just run through, we should be able to evaluate that. That should come back as premium. It does, and so we can update here. So if we test and review now, and jump over there. So we now have this as premium. So we've just used the spreadsheet type formula to evaluate a value, and then we can update the spreadsheet accordingly. So hope that's useful. Thanks for listening. See you next time. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for listening, and thank you even more for listening till the end. If you like what we do, please share and subscribe. Follow us on social media. If you're interested in the work we do and you want to know more, head over to automationmadesimple.co, where you can find out everything about us, what we do, and how we can help you. Okay, take care and bye for now.